Hey users, let's learn how to do manual calibration. Now let's learn how to perform manual calibration. Click on the EyeRIS app on the desktop. This will launch the EyeRIS app. Click on Manual Calibration. Once you click on Manual Calibration, the calibration page will automatically open. Follow these steps accordingly. Use the IR pen to click on the dots that appear on the screen, ensuring that you click at the center of each red point. After clicking each dot, make sure a check mark appears on the screen. Continue this process until all 25 dots are completed. This process will complete manual calibration. And that's how we perform manual calibration.